Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Thursday, July the 6th. These are the charts of the day, and as we do every Thursday, a review of all the swing trades that we put on the last few weeks that are still active. In other words, most of the ones that have been stopped out are eliminated, and we've got the ones that are still ongoing. AMAM, for example, is still ongoing with the trend up. It's gone from around the 7-8 range where we first put it out and doubled. It's a real good winner for us. 1686 was the high yesterday. Today's high 1689, so a nominal new high today, and that's the highest level achieved since 21. Looks to me like this is far from done. APP also pressing the recent multi 52-week highs, I should say. If you go back to last September, you'll see that, well, let's call it about a 9-month high. The breakaway gap here in May was the key. The flag, the pop, the pullback, and now we're extending. I'm looking for 29 and 32. ATEC, a beautiful rising channel, finally broke out, put a swing on it, pulled back and tested after popping a little bit. Targets are now 20 and 22.5. AUR popped yesterday, reaching my target near 3.25. Next target's 390 to 4, but it pulled back dramatically today from 315 to 271, finishing 282, down 29 cents or 9%. So watch for this one to hold the trend line and go some more in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 4. Carvana broke out and flagged, but we gave you this here when it popped, coiled, and now popping and coiling again. I need this to get over 29 with energy. Then we're looking for a low and mid 30s. ENVX popped and it was up for about 6-7 days in a row before today, where it pulled back, but it did close well off the low. Now my support's around 17. Your target's 21.5. Eventually 25.6 would be secondary. Fngr, big runner from 209 where we gave it to about 440, and then pulled back 2.5 range, and then right back to 445 today, making a nominal new high. Though I'm still looking for 5.5 and 7. Kopn pulled back the last 3 days after it looked like it was about to break out of a coil. Here's the coil that I had drawn. So you see the pullback today. Not huge volume, but it is getting some deterioration, as are most stocks with the market pullback. Nevertheless, I want to see if Kopn holds 185.6, my support level. Targeting 250, 3.25, and 4. LI in the Chinese automotive group broke out here. We put a swing on it. It's moved from the high 20s to the mid to high 30s and reaching 37, 38 2 days ago before backing off. Targets remain though 41, 44. MP popped out yesterday, put a swing on it, but it backed right off to fill that gap. Let's see if it holds it and goes. The 25 3/4 range is what you need to take out. Your target then 28.5 3/4, and then 33, 34. MRAM popped, put a swing on it, then pulled back and consolidated. Now popping again before the pullback once again. A 3-day flag with low volume tells me it goes higher. Looking for 11, 11.25. Marvel, the big pop and pullback, we put a swing on it, but it hasn't done anything. Semiconductor struggling a bit. This one seems to be holding still, but your support is 56.5, and we're not that far away. Target, I'm going to look for 64 and 69. NERV popped out, pulled back and flagged, popped again today. My target, 15. NVDA, explosive move, put a swing on it, went from about 388 to 437, and now it's coiling. Next target, 490. If the market runs and this thing breaks out, we can see that. PPSI broke out. We put a swing on it. Swing on it, then popped into flag and popped again and pulled back. Not liking this pullback. As long as it holds support in the 7, 7.25 range, I'll be happy. Next target, 12. RIVN has had a wonderful move since we put a swing on it when it broke out here at 16.5. It's extended to 22 in 4 days, and is at the target zone. Any additional upside, 27 is your target. RMTI spiked up today to a new high and then backed off. An engulfing negative bar may be ominous. We'll see if the market cooperates and if the stock holds. Next target would be 8. Shopify pulled back the last couple of days, but you see it's having a tough time getting up to 66, 68, 67, I should say. Then your target 72 and 77. Snap, B bottom right-handed extension when it broke out. We put a swing on it. It ran up, got to resistance, It's backed off a little bit. Should this get to 12.5, should this get to 12.5, then maybe we can get that to go further. And finally, XPEV, looking pretty darn good here with a target of 16.5. That's my final target for that one. And that's it from the techtrader.com. I'll talk to you guys later.